everyone, my name is Muhammad Umar and I am studying from FAST National University of Emerging Science and Technology. And today I am going to talk about the natural language processing, which is the topic of my speech today. What is natural language processing? Basically, it is a subfield of linguistic, uh, artificial intelligence, and computer science, in which we deal with the interaction between computer and human being. It is a process information that contain natural language text. It is also known as human language technology and natural language technology. Natural language processing in machine helps to analyze and understand and generate a human language just like human do. It also helps to apply computational techniques to language domain. It also helps to explain the linguistic theories, to use those theories to build a system that can be of social use. So you can start from the branch of artificial intelligence, you can start from linguistic, you can start from psycholinguistics, you can start from cognitive science and statistics, making computer to learn our language rather than we do learn their language. Why would anyone prefer natural language processing? It has two reasons. Text, which is the largest repository of human knowledge and it is growing very quickly. Second reason is that computer programs and understood the text or speech. The history of natural language processing. In 1950, the Alan Turing, one of the greatest computer scientists and philosopher, published an article of title "Machine and Intelligence," which is now called as a Turing test as a subfield of intelligence. History is also based on the development of natural language processing. One of them is Shadlu, a natural language system which was developed in 1960. It is a natural language system which is restricted to the block of words and restricted to vocabularies of the words. And it was written between 1964 to 1966. There are two components of natural language processing. One is natural language understanding, another one is natural language generation. Natural language understanding is something when you take some spoken words or typed words and working on it what it's mean. And natural language generation is something that you take some formal representation of what you want to say and working on it the way you express it in a natural human language, for example English. There are also different levels of analysis: morphological analysis, syntactic analysis, semantic analysis, and discourse analysis. Linguistic and languages. Linguistic is the science of languages. Its studies include sounds, which is referred to phonology, words formation, which is referred to morphology, and sentence structure, which is referred to syntax, and meaning, which is referred to semantics, and understanding refers to pragmatics. Steps of natural language processing. One of them is morphological and lexical analysis. A lexicon of language is its vocabulary that includes its words and expression. Morphology depicts analyzing, identifying, and description of the structure of the words. Lexical analysis involves dividing text into paragraph, words, and sentences. Second of them is syntactic analysis, which is concerned with the proper ordering of the words and its effect on meaning. And the third one is the semantic analysis, which is concerned with the literal meaning of the words, phrases, and sentences. And the fourth one is the discourse integration, which is concerned with the sense of the context. And the last one is pragmatic analysis, which is concerned with the overall communicative, social, and context and its effect on interpretation. Now comes the natural language generation. Natural language generation is the process of constructing natural language output from non-linguistic input. Natural language can be viewed as a reverse process of natural language understanding. Natural language generation has two parts. One is discourse planner, and which will tell us about what will be generated or which sentence, and the second one is surface realizer, which will realize the sentence from its internal representation. Now we come to the conclusion that what is the difference major difference between natural language and computer language. The ambiguity is the primary difference between natural language and computer language. Formal programming languages are designed to be unambiguous. They can be designed by grammar that produce a unique parse for each sentence in the language. Programming languages are also designed for efficient deterministic parsing. They are determinists and context-free future of language. Natural language processing. On human level or human readable natural language processing is an AI complete problem. It is equivalent to solving a central artificial intelligence problem is that making computer as intelligent as people. Make computer as they can solve the problem like human, think like human, as well as perform activities that human can't perform, making more efficient than humans. Thank you everyone. If you have any question, please comment down below and I will try to answer all of your questions.